I'm going to show you how you can get all these items under $10 this week at CVS in 2 transactions. First, we want to pick up 2 of the Colgate mouthwash. They're $5.29 at my store. And this week, when you buy 2, you get $5 extra care buck back. Be sure to clip this $4 off digital, and at the register, you'll pay $6.58. On our next transaction, we're going to get the Eucerin lotion that's on sale for $4.99. When you buy 1, you will get $3 back. There is a $3 digital coupon in your app. Next, we're going to pick up a Oral-B toothbrush on sale for $3.99, as well as a Colgate toothpaste on sale for $3.99. They're on promotion. When you buy 2, you will get $3 back. There are 2 coupons in your CVS app to clip: the $3 off of Crest toothpaste and the $3 off 2 oral care. Next thing you want to pick up is the Tide Simply detergent. They're on sale $3.79 at my store. There is a 75 cents off digital coupon in your CVS app. You want to make sure you roll your $5 extra care back from the first transaction. You'll pay $2.01 out of pocket. Your second transaction, you will leave with $6 in extra care bucks, meaning you spent out of pocket $8.59. But after your extra care buck savings, you only spent $2.59 for all of these items. You guys, if you are not couponing, you are definitely missing out on the savings. You can take this and do another transaction. You can save it for another week. If this video helpful, be sure to share it with your friends and follow along for more deals.